okay.
Present.
Alright. So tine ma-shirts aya.
Alright.
2. Ekuti.
Alright. 2. But $100 USD.
Kupeka shirt.
Kupeka $100 USD.
Alright. Bo.
YouTube footage.
Huh?
100.
Hey Chit from Hembe Loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash and I'm so happy guys to be back with another interesting video with another bang guys. Today is you're going to discuss about the Captain Britain and dzeNash furnitures and Tinashe Mutarisi. So I'm sure you guys have heard the first clip that I have played for you. So Mr. Mutarisi has been updating on his Facebook account saying Captain Britain is coming, I want to take a picture with him, he should come, you know. Then today Captain Britain took to my shirts dzeNash paints. Shkanzi kuti ndipfeke shirt yenyu 1 zvinoda 100 US. Apa imagine you're the one ari kupiwa shirt. You're the one ari kupiwa shkanzi 100 shkanzi i2 skata kupa imwe yacho shkanzi mofana futhi kundipa imwe. Imwe $100 guys to make it $200. So it's $100 per shirt. Oh my word. And abamtarisi vatoseka vakati what? Why? Because for me to wear your shirts, you need to pay me. So business is business, guys. He's also marketing his brand and he's not going to do that for free, okay? And this is the time when he entered into Mr. Mutarisi's office and and guess what? He goes straight to the chair of the boss. I love this man. Look at him, straight to the chair of the boss. Vanos launcha zvake akagara ipapo. And they were like, what? Mukugara pachair ya basa. But Mr. Mutarisi was like, it's okay, let him sit, because I've been waiting for this. So Mr. Mutarisi was saying, ndazwana mukana wekudi wokutora picture na Captain Britain, but after ndakabhadhariswa after picture iroro dai ndakati, can we have a picture? Pamwe ndingadai ndakatobhadhariswa, but wow, he's just a free spirit, you know, supporting young boys. It's also good. That's what we love about Mr. Mutarisi. How he always like that. And I was explaining kuti kana we andichambata zvakanaka tichaona kuti abatsirana sei, and I can't wait kuti azovewo anotiwo big thumbs up to me, like a like button, you know. And here he is, he was saying pane mimhanzi ichabuda inonaka. And Mr. Mutarisi guys, the audacity to say, you know what, ngoma rako rinyowa ndakarinzwa and I love it. Rakapenga. Hanzi rakaipa zvikana great man. Kumusic tichine damba refu, kumusic tichine nyaya. Regai ndimuratidze inini zvandinogona kuimba. And they were like, you guys makafanana. Hanzi aiwa makafanana. Even on friends they were commenting. It was just funny guys. But don't forget guys to smash that subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and also let's welcome our new members. Welcome guys to the Symbol of Love and Good Vibes. We love you, we appreciate you so much. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always being here. And all the artists guys, they were commenting, all the celebs, they were commenting. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye guys.